When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. So ask yourself, how important is your goal? And if it is, what's stopping you from starting right now? Real motivation isn't just about feeling inspired. It's the spark that ignites action. But if your motivation isn't leading to real progress, it's just an illusion. Today, we break down why most motivation fails, and more importantly, how to transform it into real success. Why most motivation fails. Let me tell you something, most motivation is straight up garbage. Yeah, you hear a hype speech. You feel fired up, like you're about to take over the world. But then what? You do nothing. You sit back, feeling good about yourself. And in 24 hours, you're right back where you started. That is the trap. What is real motivation? It ain't about feeling good. It's about taking action when you don't feel good. It's about getting up when your mind says nah, and doing the damn work anyway. You ever wonder why you start strong but quit fast? It's because you rely on a dopamine hit instead of discipline. Let me be real, motivation is not your savior. It's not gonna wake you up at 5 a.m. It's not gonna do the push-ups for you. And it sure as hell won't build your dreams for you. You gotta do that. So the next time you feel motivated, don't just sit in that feeling. Attach it to a trigger, take one small step. Right then and there, because motivation isn't useless. It's just incomplete without action. Napoleon Hill said, don't wait. The time will never be just right. If you're waiting to feel ready, you'll wait forever. Break your old patterns, take action now. How to break out of the feel-good trap. Solution-based motivation. All right, let's get real. Motivation feels good. It gives you that rush, that fire. But here's the catch. It tricks you. Makes you feel like you're making progress when all you're doing is watching, dreaming, planning, but not doing. That's the feel-good trap. So how do you escape? Simple, stop chasing the feeling, start chasing the process. Like Bruce Lee once said, if you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you'll never get it done. Step 1, catch yourself in the trap. The next time you feel motivated, pause. Ask yourself, am I actually moving forward? Or just feeling good about the idea of moving forward? Step 2, flip the focus to action. After you feel motivated, instead of watching another success mindset video, do something, anything. Want to get fit? Drop down and do one push-up. Want to study? Open your book and read one paragraph. This person is watching a how to wake up early video at 2 a.m. and goes for another video next. But the second one sets an alarm, puts their phone across the room, and actually wakes up. See the difference? One feeds the illusion, the other fuels the change. Real motivation isn't about feeling good, it's about getting things done. So stop waiting, start now. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Building habits that stick. Discipline over motivation. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is what keeps you going when motivation fades. Think about elite athletes. Do they feel pumped every single day? No. Do successful people rely on motivation? No. They rely on systems and discipline. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Now, how to build a system that works. If you're ready to stay consistent and build a strong system that makes discipline effortless, check out the video in the description or through the icon on the screen. In that video, you'll learn 5 proven and super easy ways to build discipline and stick to your goals. Don't miss it. Now, here's the ultimate key to making discipline second nature and turning motivation into a powerful force that actually drives results. How real motivation works. Action creates motivation. Most people believe they need motivation first to take action. That's why they fail. You don't wait until you feel strong to lift weights. You lift weights to become strong. Like William James said, action may not bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. The secret: motivation doesn't fuel action. Action fuels motivation. The waiting trap versus the doing mindset. The waiting trap: I'll start when I feel ready, never starts. The doing mindset: I'll start, and motivation will follow, gets results. Let's take an example of 2 students who feel unmotivated. Student A keeps watching study motivation videos. Feels inspired does nothing. But student B forces himself to study for just 2 minutes. The momentum kicks in. He studies for an hour. Who wins? Final truth. If you want to feel motivated, don't wait, move. Because movement creates energy. And energy fuels progress, which gives the actual motivation. Now, let's talk about how to build a system so you never rely on motivation again. Identity over willpower. Become the person who just does it. Most people fail because they rely on willpower. But willpower is like a battery. It runs out. The real secret: change your identity. Stop saying, "I'm trying to study. I'm trying to wake up early. I need motivation." Start saying, "I am studying. I wake up early. I am motivated." 1. Prove it to yourself with small wins. Motivation fades, but proof sticks. Show yourself you're changing, and motivation will follow. Read just 1 page, prove you're a reader. Do 1 push-up, prove you're getting stronger. Every small win is proof that you're not who you were yesterday. Acknowledge it, own it. The more you see yourself change, the more unstoppable you become. 2. Never miss twice. Golden rule of consistency. Skipped a workout, get back the next day. Missed a study session, do 5 minutes tomorrow. The key isn't perfection, it's getting back on track fast. 3. Surround yourself with the right people. Hang around disciplined people, and you'll become one. Your habits are shaped by your environment. Choose it wisely. Motivation fades, willpower runs out. But your identity, that's who you are. Here is something interesting. 4. Reward the process, not just the results. Most people quit because they only celebrate big wins. But discipline is built by rewarding small wins. Finished your morning routine, play your favorite song, completed a study session, have a cup of coffee, worked out, take a guilt-free break. This way, your brain associates discipline with pleasure, not just struggle. 5. Final power move. Make it public. Tell a friend your goal. Track your progress visibly. Calendar, app, journal. The more you see your commitment, the stronger it becomes. James Clear said it best. Every action is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Now, are you ready to cast your votes every day? Let's lock this in. Now you know why most motivation fails. It's the feel-good trap that never leads to action. But now you also know how to escape it. You don't rise to the level of motivation. You fall to the level of your habits. The real question is, what will you do right now to lock this in? I will tell you. Pick 1 action, just 1. Drop it in the comments. Say it out loud. Commit to it. Because change doesn't happen tomorrow. It happens the second you decide. If this hit you hard, don't just leave. Act. Drop your 1 action in the comments. And if you're serious about real change, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join this journey. Let's make success a habit, not just a thought.